1 centimeter, and then fade. You know fade? You know fade? No, bro.
Yeah.
This is more beautiful.
Where that brush at? Poor man. What the hell?
Better go get a fresh cut. Yes, sir. I told my barber an inch off the top, please. What the fuck?
Guys, I'm going to get a haircut. I'm so excited. I'm gonna look so good.
Only a little bit, okay? I want fade, and then just cut off the sides a little bit. Okay? Officially gone, y'all. Wait, what are you doing? I said only cut the sides a little bit. What? I want shape like this. That is